What's going on, guys? Sethward here. Wait, hold up. Let's rewind.
Hi guys, welcome back to Seth's Words vlog.
What's up, Sethlings?
Right now we're at the beach. Geneva and I have been here since 6 a.m. It's currently like 10:30 or something.
10:22.
We're having a bonfire tonight. Well, I am hosting a bonfire tonight at Oceanside Harbor because it is my birthday and I am the #1 dad because I was born, like, my birthday's on Father's Day, you know, so we're just chilling. So we have to save the pit all day. It's kind of cloudy and like really cold right now. That's why I have my Lightning McQueen blanket, you know.
And I did previously have two towels and a blanket on.
Yeah, she looks
very
like,
cold.
What'd you look like?
I looked like babushka. I looked like a babushka, but like Baby Spice because of these glasses. That's my vibes for today.
Yeah, we've just been chilling. I've been journaling, but then also not. Like, as right now, I'm vlogging instead of journaling, you know. We'll see y'all later for an update. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So, I'm still really tired and the sun just decided to come out, which is really cool. Geneva, say hi.
Hello.
Okay.
I'm putting on sunscreen because skin cancer is bad, and that happens. Be responsible, kids. Put on sunscreen.
So as you can see, it's really sunny behind Geneva. And then it's really cloudy and gloomy and dark and mysterious and sad behind me. Well, I'm gonna go take a nap. Good night. What's up, guys? Welcome back again. I don't really know how to do this. If I should like intro every single time. So I'm just going to. It's currently noon. Geneva just went to the bathroom. I'm just chilling here. My mother's bringing me Taco Bell, so that's lit. Also, I can't zoom in, and I'm kind of sad about that. It's getting sunny pretty much everywhere right now, and then I'm about to go put my swimsuit on and then go in the water. Also, my hair is green like seaweed, and I really like it. Also, my arm is super sore because I got a shot the other day, and it's just not good. So if I throw up later, just doing it for the vlog. Just kidding. Okay, we'll see you guys later, probably when Rachel gets here, and then when Mia gets here, and then when the boyfriend gets here, and then Rachel. Yeah, okay, peace out. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog again. It is currently 1:0 something. No, it's definitely like 1:20. We just got Taco Bell. We haven't found Rachel, so oops. Mia and Alejandro are on their way right now, so we're chilling. And then Sethward, the original vlogger, is coming around 2:30, so God bless. We're just chilling.
There's your boy.
Oh! Who didn't answer any of my phone calls. We'll see you on the next update. Alejandro, say hi! Okay, goodbye.
Welcome to Oceanside Harbor, everyone. I made it. Daisy said the entrance to the free lot was blocked, so I had to go in the back entrance. I was like, okay. And so I drove all the way around trying to find the free lot, and I actually missed it. I saw a 2-hour parking, but I'm like, I'm gonna be here for way more than 2 hours. So I was like, yeah, you know what, we'll just pay. It's $15, which is kind of a lot of money, but you know what? We're making do. Now, I'll have to find my friends. Right. Update, I found everyone. Hi, Daisy. How did the vlogging go this morning?
It was okay. We like vlogged a few different times, and then it was like
Just relaxing.
yeah.
Also, these guys just got here like a few minutes after I got here, so that was convenient. Trying my best to block this wind. It's gonna be bad. Right, gonna head in the water for a bit. Ready for the beach. Let's do this. My goal for this vlog is to get more cinematic stuff, so that's the goal. It's gonna be sick. Welcome to the Ocean Vlogs. Woo! I need to catch up to everyone else. Let's go.
I don't feel like
What's up, guys?
What up?
Ocean Vlogs.
Do you guys remember when Joey was...
Anything?
Guys, let's...
Alright. We're making our way back in to rest. I'm anxious to see what this looks like. I think it'll be fun.
Still there.
This is what happens when you're cold and you get out of the water.
The hand's like opening and closing.
Hi guys, I'm on Seth Ward's vlog.
You're
But that's Henry, so
We're chilling. It's good.
yeah, okay.
You put it in. Hang on. You can bury your head too.
Guys, the party's all here. We are killing it. What's up, guys? Making my vlog for the week. It is. Always. Yes. Yes, indeed.
Well, we got just enough.
David!
What's up, guys? We're back here with another video.
That's right. Yes.
It's really bad.
We're good.
That's good.
In the face twice.
Made it out of the sand.
30 seconds, but we're fine.
When I left off, you were in the sand still.
Oh, was I? Yeah, we made it out.
Yep.
After they started touching my butt, I kind of dipped. That's where I draw the line.
Punched your cheeks and got all of them.
Good call, good call.
Yep. And now we're good.
Now we're just walking.
Having a good time.
That is right. At the Oceanside Harbor.
On the way to
The rocks. All of the rocks. Alright, look at this. See, this is gonna be sick to fly my drone. Are you kidding? We got the harbor behind us, and the beach in front of us. And the wind that is torturous. Oh gosh, there's rocks. I need to watch where I'm walking. Pardon the wind, I will try and block it. Got some nice decorative rocks. Fancy that. How far are we going? I don't know what's going on. We're at the beach. Having a good time celebrating Daisy's birthday. Oh. Parkour, parkour, parkour. I'm not in the zone for parkour at the moment. Why are you guys going so fast? Some nice boats. So I'm hearing that a boat crashed into the jetty at the end. So they're sending that police boat. Oh wait, there it is. Wait, you can see it. Yeah, there it is at the end. I think that's it. Assuming. Party just keeps getting better. Ian, what is up?
What's up? How's it going?
Good. Whatever's happening, it's kind of gnarly because they're like bringing in actual police now, which is crazy.
get a call like that. Hey, we got
Yeah, we got a boat that crashed into the rocks.
That's pretty cool.
How's it going? True. We're just chilling here. They got the boat out. All the commotion is over. So. Yeah, now there's a bucket. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's over there. Wait, there it is. It's drifting out to sea. Very quickly, actually. I don't think it's gonna be saved. Such a shame.
It's a loss.
Yeah.
We're on our way back. Quite the excursion.
The water's kind of nice after like.
It is nice, yeah. It's not freezing.
Well, I saw it driving earlier.
Fair enough.
Alright. That's kind of lame.
What are you talking about?
There's like truck marks.
Oh yeah.
Tire marks.
Truck marks.
And we stood there. The two of us. Side by
I'm so glad we
Fire's roasting. Hope y'all enjoyed the drone footage. What's up? Yeah, you do.
Guys, stop it with the paper.
And we-
Oh, sorry. Like, seriously.
It was Henry's idea to burn his Math 3 homework here.
And Math 4.
And yeah, well, some of whatever else is in there.
This is just Math 3.
Gotta keep them separate. It's important.
Wait, I can't read. I'm gonna pull it out.
And Alejandro's already sacrificed like 4 marshmallows. So
Sacrifice. It's so creepy and demonic.
sacrificed 4 marshmallows to the flames. They don't get to be eaten.
He saved it. Wait, when does quit? I'm going blind, so smoke helps the process speed up. So.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
That's smart. Bro, I just want to eat some chocolate. Chocolate is delicious. I don't know which way this breaks though. Oh, it breaks this way. This way, and then this way. Oh, yeah.
I don't know, you might already like go in that direction, so it's like fine, but
Update. Let's go.
That was so sad.
I am busy.
You've been. Are you making a parabola?
I didn't even realize.
Horseshoe. Got it. That's enough. Thank you. You say that and then multiple people.
Probably my bad. Like above the line. I wasn't good at Oh.
I mean, I wish
I don't know what that was about.
you got that on video, right?
Yeah.
Good. That is amazing.
Alright guys, I need to end this vlog in this late, so I gotta be a little quiet. But I just finished editing it, and I like it. I tried to bring back cinematics because I haven't done that in a lot of the recent vlogs. Anyway, this was super fun. Daisy, thank you for inviting me. I hope you had a great birthday today, actually, so happy birthday. Yeah, all in all, it was so much fun. Thank you for everybody that came and made it a great day. And I cannot wait for the more fun things that we are going to do this summer. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned, because there's way more awesome stuff to come. Alright, peace out.